Hi everyone, welcome to our channel, and in this video I will show you how to use AppSheet to build your very first no-code app in 2025. Even if you have zero coding experience, you are allowed to create an app with this AppSheet platform. So AppSheet is a powerful tool from Google that lets you turn a spreadsheet into mobile or web page or apps in just a minute. So without any further ado, let's jump right in. So before that, you need to be understand what is AppSheet actually. So AppSheet is a no-code app development platform. So as you can see, they already add this slogan to their website. So let's go over here and search AppSheet on a new tab. Then you will get the result over your desktop or laptop. So here you can see they are telling us that supercharge your work with no code. AppSheet helps you to build powerful application and automation that boost productivity. No coding required. So here you can see this is the features they have. Create apps with adapt to how to work. Then you can see automate work that follows. Unify your apps and data. Then manage data and create safely and secure. So here you can see this is the option, like Airbus has been using this platform. AppSheet allow us to build an inventory logistic app with just one person over a couple of days, a task that have previously taken several months to achieve by several developers. Here we have couple of this kind of a review. I hope this will be help you to take the decision. Do you need to use this one for your business? So creating an account is really simple, and this is totally free platform, and they also provide some premium plan. As you can see, $5, then $10, $20 you can acquire on of that. So it's totally up to you. Let's go and talk about how you can connect your spreadsheet like Google Sheet. You just need to be connect your spreadsheet like Google Sheet and AppSheet, turn it into a working app you can use on your phone or desktop. It is perfect for inventory tracking, task management, customer data, expense reporting, and many more. So how you can start the work on here? So before that, you just need to be create an account over here. Just click on sign in. Just click in sign in. Once you click over here, then they will give you the option to create an account with Google, Microsoft, Apple, Dropbox, or any platform do you want to use. You are allowed to create an account. Once you done it, then you will get this kind of an interface. Here you can see we have two options called apps and database. I recently created an apps simple service, that's why it's showing me in these options. So how you can create an app? So here if you check this interface, then you will find out that this is similar to Google Drive interface, share with me, own by me, template, and many more. So how you can dive into the main topic? So first of all, you just need to be click on create, and you will get options like apps in the first row, and here you can see start with existing data, or start with a template, or you can start with a blank app. It's totally up to you. So I'm going to work on a template. That for a reason I'll click over here. Once I click over here, then it will give us to this place. It's called app template page. Here you can see we have couple of options or couple of apps over that place. That's simple survey, simple inventory, Kanban board, shift management, onboarding and tracking, then project tracker, order deliveries, task manager, marketing project, and many more. Let's scroll down and you will get options one by one to see. Here you can see agriculture inspection, national park, book training with Gemini, then IT tracking, and many more. So I am going to click on of them. Like I want to create a website, so here I will choose some of them. Let's find out task manager. Let's go and click on preview task manager, or I can choose order deliveries. So I will go with the task manager or to-do list. So let's click on preview. Once I click over here, now you can see in this phone version, this is a version where you can see this is our task manager. The apps has been ready. So we just need to be click on copy and customize, or we can click on look under the hood. It's totally up to you. So I'm going to click on copy and customize. Once I click over here, then they will ask for the name. So I'm going to name it by my name. and then I will click on copy app, and it will take a while to loading. So finally you can see this is our app result. If you check this out, you are allowed to check it by laptop, like you can check the responsiveness of your app. Once you're done, here you can see suggested next step. So this is the result eventual. So how it looks amazing. Explore your app. You can explore your app through these options. Here you can see. Then you have the option to apply theme, like you can set your brand color, your primary color, app logo, launch image, and many more. Here you can see we have data, then views option, then offline mode also we have. So the app can start when offline, store content offline users, make all image files available offline. So it's totally up to you. The process is really simple. So you just need to understand how easy the process was. Here you can see this is app logo. I'm going to make it black. Now you can see it's become black. Let's click on save. Once I click over here save, it will be saved. Next, let's go on to the next step, that is so here let's click on copy and customize. Again click over here. Again it will take a while again. So here let's talk about the blank option also. Blank app, it's asking you to choose on options. So I'm going to click on planning and project, create app. So here you can click on customize with AppSheet, and here you can start your app creation. So now you can see it, this option is for view data. Then we have many more like customize view, control how data will be presented. So you can change your data. Here you can see we have the pen button. So I'm going to click on this edit view, and here we can see we have the option for view type. You can make it deck, you can make it calendar type, you can make it table, gallery, then detail, and many more. It makes your work so much stress free, I can say it. And here you can see we have the options, and invite user, you are allowed to invite user in the blank options. So let's done it, and let's go and click onto the save. Once I click over here save, then I will click on to the preview, and now here you can see this is our apps, and it looks amazing. If I done the work, then I will just click on mark as done. Once it's done, then here you can see it has been done. It's really awesome, and the AppSheet is really simple. Actually, who don't even know anything about coding or building apps, they can also create an apps through this AppSheet. Also, let's talk about advanced features. So first of all, want to make your app smarter with AppSheet, then you just need to follow some guidelines. Like you can add drop down using validation, then you can use expression to calculate values. Also you can turn up offline mode. I already watch you the method. Then you can connect multiple tables for relation data. Like AppSheet gives you power without needing to write code, so you need to be utilize it perfectly. Next, let's give you a tips for beginners. So if you're using it for the first time, then these tips will be helpful for you. Like start with a simple apps and use simple templates on AppSheet's homepage, and watch for column name typos. They can break logic. Always preview your app before sharing. So I hope you understand how easy the process was, and thanks for watching this AppSheet tutorial for beginners. If you found this helpful, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe, and comment below what kind of app will you build with AppSheet. See you in the next tutorial.